The emergence of blockchain technology has brought forth the idea of having a decentralized internet. In order to have an optimally functional decentralized internet, we would need to know where to find what we need. This is where Seth comes in. Seth does semantic linking of blockchain data and applications. Seth has a graph-like infrastructure built with smart contracts on the Ethereum network. This works as an efficient way of storing terminologies on the blockchain. The terminology concepts are the link between the decentralized applications, and Seth will be a structured and efficient way of accessing blockchain information. In this demo of our initial prototype, I will show you how Seth blockchain data can be browsed. We will use GeoNames data to do this. So we are using data previously stored on a private chain. We have started at the Earth node, and now we will go down its structural hierarchy to Europe. What we see here is the interface to the contract. If we click on Count, we can see that we have 5,255 concepts in our initial set. This is the concept ID for Europe, and we can use it to query the data on the blockchain. This is the node data stored on the blockchain, and if we look at this number, we can see that it's the encoded geoname in lowercase. Let's copy this ID and go to Remix. To make it clear that the node exists on the chain. This is the stored data, and this number should be the same as the one that we have here. We can continue browsing. And we can show the entire GeoNames data as a graph built with the data existent on the chain. As you remember, we have 5,255 concepts. If we go back to the data, we can see that we have two values here, which are the latitude and longitude values. This permits us to build a map from the chain data. This is the Berlin area, and at the end of these lines, for example, are the Berlin area subdivisions. Seth wants to provide trust-free, top-level linked data, and to offer everyone the infrastructure to extend it as they see fit. Seth, one data gate, reliable.